Hello, dear children. In class 8th, although it is already completed few topics, now few things it is left in the chapter 1, then we'll go ahead. So, in chapter 1, two things that I want to discuss with you all. Very first is it's very important that I thought to discuss before going ahead. So the very first is how to insert the rational numbers between two rational number. One thing is very important, how to insert rational number between two rational numbers. So what is the way? The way is to inserting the rational number. Suppose I am writing insert the rational numbers. Insert the rational numbers. So while you are inserting the rational numbers, what is important? Suppose 5 and 6, two rational numbers we have, and I need to insert two rational numbers between these two. So suppose this is A and this is B. So for inserting the rational number, we have the formula is A plus B divided by 2. This is the way to insert the rational number. This is one method you all have. So suppose two rational numbers you want to insert between 5 and 6. So the very first is 11 by 2 between 5 and 6. 5 plus 6 divided by 2, 11 by 2. Now if you insert rational number between 5 and 11 by 2, 5 and 11 by 2, so what will you do? First you will add 5 to the 11 by 2. It gives what? 21 by 2, and that is divided by 2. So this is giving 21 by 4. So this is one way to insert the rational number. Although there is many more methods to do this, but I'll just advise you all, please go with this. And the next is how to represent rational number on number line. This is very important, how to represent a rational number on number line. So I'll just make here the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Whenever you represent this rational number on number line, if it is simply a number, we had already a lot of discussions about this. So if it is a number, suppose 1 is also a rational number, 2 is also a rational number, 3 is also a rational number. So if you need to spot, you can spot it very easily on the number line. What is the problem to find the address of numbers which is in the form of fraction? Actually the rational number, it is in the form of P upon Q. So whenever it is in the form of fraction, then if you want to find out the address of that particular number, what you need to do, very first thing is, if something it is given in the fraction, suppose I am writing here 5 by 6 is one fraction and 7 by 6 is another fraction. So dear children, 5 by 6 and 7 by 6, if we need to locate where the 5 by 6 is and where the 7 by 6 is, for this what we'll do, first we'll have to say that which type of fraction this is. Suppose this the very first fraction 5 by 6, it is a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. And the 7 by 6 is improper fraction. So whenever you will go to search the address of fraction, the very first thing is what you need to understand. You need to understand whether it is the proper fraction or improper fraction. So after knowing this, if it is proper fraction, keep it in the mind, this always will be lying between 0 and 1. If it is in plus, and if it is in minus, it would be lying between 0 and minus 1. And if it is improper fraction, what is the target? The target is to change it first into a mixed fraction. Suppose 7 by 6, here it is a mixed fraction, improper fraction. So this 7 by 6 would be changed into a mixed fraction. This would be written 1 whole 1 by 6. This is 1 whole 1 by 6. Now this would be lying between 1 and 2. So suppose now the 5 by 6, it would be lying between 0 and 1. How do we search where is the 5 by 6 between 0 and 1. So this 0 and 1 will be divided in equal 6 part. I'm just making here 1 again. This is a 0, this is a 1, and this would be divided into 6 equal parts, means 1 centimeter. 1 2 3 4 5. See the segment 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this is 5 by 6, the very first one. So 1 2 3 4 5, this is 5 by 6. So this is a representation of proper fraction. Proper fraction will be lying always between 0 and 1. And what about the improper fraction? First it would be changed into a mixed fraction, and after changing the mixed fraction, it's very easy to spot. Suppose just I have given you an example, 7 by 6. So it is 7 by 6 is between 1 and 2. So this would be 1 whole 1 by 6. So this again 1 and 2. This 1 and 2, here will be writing 1, here will be writing 2, and this would be divided into 6 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5. You could see 1 2 3 4 5 6. It has 6 parts now. Now 1 whole 5 by 6. So this will be a 7 by 6. So this is a way to represent the rational number on number line. So by this way you could complete your exercise 1.2, and we'll go with the next chapter. Thank you.